going on, y'all? Just hanging out here in the garage, um, retagging a bunch of old videos. I know I did a video a while back about a book that I got, which I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored by, but this book, it's by Ann Eckhart, How to Start a YouTube Channel for Fun and Profit. Man, this thing's great. It's an easy read. Lots of good tips in there on how to get started, how to do your video, how to tag your videos, AdSense stuff, everything. But yeah, it's great. It shows you. It just totally takes you through how to, when you're starting from nothing, And then here recently, probably in the last, I don't know, 2 weeks or so, I came across a video that Nick Nimmin put up. He's a big YouTube promoter guy. Teaches you a lot of stuff. You need to check his videos out. He's awesome too. But he was talking about the TubeBuddy app. So I put the TubeBuddy app on there and, started tagging my videos for the search engine optimization, or SEO. Very important for people to be able to find your videos about what they're about, what you're doing. It's really neat. It shows you how to, I can probably show you on one of my videos.
I'm gonna pull this off.
See this over here? This is your search engine optimization score. Mine's like 85 out of 100. It tells you, tags and title, description, tags and title, tags and description, total numbers of tags, title, words, and description. If you post it on Facebook, it shows, what likes you're getting on it. Let's see, I can actually go, and then like in here, it'll show you what tags you should be using down here. It blows my mind. But I've had some videos really go crazy today. I also started doing shorts videos. Like yesterday, just out of the blue, I was walking out the back of the house and Care Flight Our Medical helicopter was flying over. And I recorded, I think it's like 14 seconds or something. And I mean, I haven't had a video over probably 200 views, period. Like most of mine are only maybe 30 at the most, 40. The one engine build I started the other day, I think it's up to about 100. But that helicopter video, it's over like 600 views all of a sudden. I'm like, whoa, what the heck? So went in with the TubeBuddy and and we did the shorts videos. So shorts videos have to be a vertical video recorded on your phone. They can be anywhere from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. YouTube recommends it only to be 15 seconds or less. So yes, believe it or not, and this is new. This just started in the last 2 months, maybe. I mean, this year's, the New Year's when it really got going. It puts your videos in the shorts stack, which is in a different spot. Like when you look on your phone, it'll show the shorts videos. That's where it puts it. But man, it's really neat. But I do highly recommend the TubeBuddy app for new YouTube people. That book. Start watching videos, and man, it'll get going a lot faster. I know, it frustrated me for sure, because nothing was really getting any traction, nothing was really getting any views. But man, that TubeBuddy app really helped me a lot. So did that book. If you want your videos to get to the correct people that you want it to get to, definitely pay attention to that SEO. Try and get that SEO as close to 100 as you can. I know it can be difficult, but that's what you need to do, because YouTube's, all the Google search engines are, they depend on that search engine optimization, because if you don't, your videos are not going to get out there. They're not going to get put up. They're not going to get put in the right group of people, what they're watching and what they want to watch and what they want to see. So definitely pay attention to that SEO and get it as close to as 100 as you can, 100%, and it'll do well, I promise. But yeah, just get out there and start watching videos, You know, find you some books on Amazon or wherever you want to go. You know, go to the library, get YouTube for Dummies. You know, get that book I used. But definitely put the TubeBuddy app, you know, on your phone or on your computer or whatever, and go through there and fix the things that it's going to tell you to fix. Nick Nimmin also has a video that explains how to use the TubeBuddy, you know, for your, you know, that'll help you, you know, and it will greatly help you, I promise. So, like I said, get out there and, you know, make some videos, man. I want to see them. We need to do this. Peace out.